Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a free tool you could use to help troubleshoot your computer if you're having issues. So let's say you maybe got some kind of malware infection and your web browsers are not working, so therefore you can't go online and download anything. And let's say maybe your file explorer is giving you problems as well. So this little app you could run right from a flash drive, or you could even copy it to the computer if possible and run it from there. So it's called 2Browse, so it's just an executable, so you just run it. So it operates as a web browser and as a file explorer. So in the top box here we have the links for, desktop, this PC, and then you could just kind of browse through and access your files, back things up, copy files over, whatever you want to do. So it also supports drag and drop. So we're going to go here, for example. We could drag that over there. We could drag this over here, like so. And then you just click on Home. So if you want to do a search, let's say for free malware apps, just for the sake of searching for something here. So it'll open up in a web browser within the app here. So it's not a full-featured web browser, so it's just enough to get the job done and to get you to the website you need to get to. And then you also have, control panel, if you could open that from here. Your downloads, if you want to check out your user profile folder. Recycle bin, libraries folder. Network settings, administrative tools, all user programs. And then they have some built-in tools too if you want to come here and let's say we want to go run one of these to try and fix the problem. So it'll open up in the built-in web browser, and then you could download it from there. Then they have some miscellaneous malware tools here. Let's say AVG utilities, for example. And then there's some other links down here. So this software, I believe, belongs to them. So if you want to download some of their additional software, you could do that as well. Then up here you have an option to do a new window. Go to your downloads, zoom in, zoom out, check for updates. And then you can change your search engine from here if you want. So this is something that may be useful. It's good to have on a flash drive somewhere just in case you run into a problem. So it might be something you could use to, get back in your computer and maybe fix things. So it's worth downloading just to have on hand. All right, so I will put a link in the description for 2Browse, and then you could download it and hopefully never have to use it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.